Hello, beautiful soul. Here we are once again at the start of a new week, and what feels like a very potent one filled with portent, of which I know not yet. Maybe you can feel it too, manifesting as an internal call of some sort for your attention. After a week of travel and visiting different places, I am grateful to be still again, further north in California, staying with friends. An ideal opportunity to integrate what has come before, to allow space to be freed up for what is yet to come. It is reminding me of the never-ending call to surrender and let go, to allow life to lead rather than forcing any other plan. This is the beauty of travel, and in particular solo travel, and the particular way I like to travel. Led, intuitively led, guided, step by step, allowing myself to surrender to a greater plan. It's not always easy as a stranger in a strange land, and yet this is also one of the greatest gifts, for it has taught me to lean on support and ask for it more than I ever have. Once upon a time, I was overly independent, stubborn, needing to control pretty much everything, and desiring perfection in myself and in others. As much as I am still fiercely independent, there has been a softening, a massive one. The realization that I need not walk this path alone, and with it, the removing of internal walls and barriers to let other people in. It is my own personal journey towards a greater experience of connection, something I am now blessed to experience wherever I go in most of my interactions, reminding me of our connectedness. Wherever you are in the world, you will always find love and kindness, especially if that is what you choose to be. Blessed be. The reality of my travel is sometimes I get scared, dip down into fear. Of course I do. I am human after all. And yet, it is in these times there is an invitation to embrace this small, scared part of me, the little girl who needs reassurance, who desires the certainty of knowing where she is going, needing to know where she will be sleeping that evening, a rather fundamental need for most of us. And sharing this with you here and now, it is helping me to recognize that each time this fear or any other arises, it is helping me to be at peace yet further, no matter what is arising. It's like a beautiful thread that is bringing together some of our recent themes. For even though I may not like feeling this way when it is occurring, I do not deny it. It is useful intel that is serving me and driving me forward. It is also the recognition that I am continuing to dive into the depths of my own being, to know myself. And from this space, contrast becomes ever easier to navigate, especially when I choose to operate from that deep well of wisdom inside, the one that knows that I will be okay, that I have always been okay, and that no matter what situation I have found myself in over the years, I have always been okay. This is oh so powerful to remind ourselves of. In the words of Sir Elton John, I'm still standing better than I ever did, looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid. Community connection. A reminder that there are no upcoming events for the rest of the summer as I choose to place more of my focus on my internal journey. Angel Prayers Update. If you are ready to invite the support of the angelic realm into your world, then prayer can be such an easy way to do this. We can simply see prayer as a conversation, maybe with a particular focus, yet a conversation nonetheless. If we treat it and ourselves lightly, then we are more likely to experience the lightness that comes from asking and receiving support, no matter whether that is in earthly or heavenly form or both. And the links to the ebook and the interactive PDF are in the written email. What is our invitation this week? It feels to simply be an acknowledgement of where we each are, rooted in a greater understanding of who we are, and a greater acceptance and allowing of things to be what they are. Feel the release and the relief of that, and take it if it resonates with you. Remembering, as always, that your greatest power lies in honoring who you are and what is true for you. Sending so much love from my heart to yours, Melody Jane.